Amazon has hundreds of action cameras. This one packs some serious punch for its size. It boasts incredible stabilization and slow-motion capabilities that you usually only find on much pricier gear. Here's the honest breakdown. So, what exactly is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Essential Combo? It's DJI's latest take on a rugged, waterproof action camera designed for creators, adventurers, and anyone who needs to capture high-quality video on the go. It's built to withstand the elements, making it perfect for everything from surfing to skiing, and its compact size means you can take it anywhere. Let's talk about what makes this camera stand out. First, that 1/1.3-inch sensor and 4K at 120 frames per second video. This means incredibly detailed footage, even in challenging lighting, and the ability to shoot super smooth slow-motion clips that look cinematic. Then there's the rock-steady stabilization. Whether you're running, jumping, or riding a bumpy trail, your footage will be unbelievably steady, almost like it was shot on a gimbal. The dual OLED touchscreens are a game-changer for vlogging and quick adjustments. You can easily frame your shots from the front or back. Plus, the 47 GB of built-in storage is a nice bonus, meaning you can start recording right out of the box without needing an extra SD card immediately. Finally, the subject tracking is surprisingly good, keeping your chosen subject in focus even when they're moving. Who is this camera perfect for? If you're a vlogger who wants crisp, stable footage for your YouTube channel or TikTok, this is a fantastic option. It's also ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and sports lovers, think hikers, bikers, skiers, and surfers who need a durable camera that can keep up with their adventures. Even if you're just someone who wants to capture family vacations or everyday moments with a professional-looking quality, the Osmo Action 5 Pro can deliver. Now, for an honest downside. While it has 47 GB of built-in storage, it's not expandable. For longer shoots or higher quality settings, you will definitely want to get an external SD card, which adds to the overall cost if you don't already have one. How does it stack up? Compared to something like a GoPro Hero 12 Black, the Osmo Action 5 Pro often offers comparable or even better stabilization at a slightly more accessible price point, especially when you consider the included accessories in the Essential Combo. The dual screens are also a definite advantage for vloggers. When it comes to price and value, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Essential Combo on Amazon US generally sits in a competitive spot. The link in the description is an affiliate link. Use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.